It became apparent to medical researchers that certain carbohydrates were absorbed quickly into the system and others were absorbed more naturally and were more desirable alternatives to the high-rated carbohydrates. By 1981, the medical community was discovering the effect of the glycemic index on the body not only among diabetics but on others as well. Other fruits and vegetables, however, are preferable to white rice, white bread, corn flakes, and anything made with white refined sugar or flour. Other good glycemic foods include whole grain bread and pasta. If you or loved one has type I or type 2 diabetes, you should switch to whole grain bread and pasta made from wheat flour. A patient with diabetes needs to work with a physician to get the right dosage of each medication and never double the dosage or cut one in half. Prandin cannot be used in women who are pregnant or nursing children. Starlix is another drug that works similar to Prandin but does not require adjustments. So, can a good diet keep diabetes at bay? The answer is yes. While it cannot cure a patient of diabetes, a good diet low in foods that have high ratings in the glycemic index and high in proteins can help an individual with this condition live longer, healthier life. Until there is a cure for this potentially life-threatening condition, it is important for all people who suffer from diabetes to familiarize themselves with the glycemic index so they can better understand how to control their disease. An exercise regime is often recommended, which can be good for depression, but people with depression often have little energy to begin an exercise regime. As the depression continues, people often lose interest in monitoring their blood sugar levels and may even skip their medication. Symptoms of depression include a loss of pleasure in everyday activities you used to enjoy as well as a change in appetite. Medical science is continuing to search for a cure for diabetes which has reached epidemic proportions in some areas. Until a cure is found, however, there are many ways to treat this disease. When someone gets a diagnosis of diabetes, they often panic and are overwhelmed by all of the information. If you or loved one is diagnosed with diabetes, become empowered by learning all you can about treating the illness, learning about different medications, and making sure that you comply with orders given by your physician. Most of the food that is grown today is from genetically modified, GMO, seeds and is grown inorganically using chemical fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides, and fungicides. For more information, please click the link below in the description.